Today, I am Jinka Pia and I am Filipina Esta. I am Marin Tribuntilao and I am Astipin Saro. And today, we will gonna discuss about the pressing issues in information technology and how they impact our daily lives, especially our students. With the rapid advancement in IT, it's important to stay informed about the challenges and their effects.
First issue is cybersecurity threat zone. Cybersecurity is a growing concern as hacker use advanced methods to steal personal data. Imagine a student opening phishing email disguised as a financial aid and unknowingly giving bank login details. As a student, always use a strong password. Enable two-factor authentications and avoid clicking link when online to protect your online traces.
So, second issue is data privacy. So, data privacy concern is another essential issue. Most apps and websites collect large amount of data about you.
They often do so without the person's permission.
So, the implications of this issue is be wary of the permission you grant apps and read up on the privacy policies. We, as an average student, have to lobby for stronger legislation on data protection. The third issue is digital divide. Although technology unites us, it also draws attention to inequality. The majority of students lack of proper devices or internet connectivity. Therefore, there are digital divide. Not all students have access to laptops or high-speed internet, creating barriers to online learning.
During the pandemic days, many students had to rely on unstable mobile data to attend virtual classes. I've experienced this kind of issue because way back in pandemic days, I experienced that I don't have phone and high-speed mobile internet, so I'm just borrowing to my cousins or relatives to attend my online classes. So there is really digital divide way back then.
For the issue is colleges should offer programs like lunar laptops for those students that can afford to buy their own laptop or to provide Wi-Fi. Here at NBES, they offer free Wi-Fi to those students that really need to research their assignments or
At NDSA, they offer free Wi-Fi for students, especially those students that need to Google their assignments. But the loaner laptops has not been implemented.
The fourth current issue on artificial intelligence is artificial intelligence usage by college students. Artificial intelligence is good because it gives us what we ask for, especially by giving us ideas in our assignments, but not to the point that we are depending on it. However, some students or most of us students are overuse artificial intelligence, and that could make us lazy as we cannot think critically or create productivity. So the implications of these current issues are we, college students, must not be dependent on artificial intelligence in order for us to create productivity and to think critically.
and by balancing our usage on artificial intelligence can help us to mitigate the possible risks that might